How to turn on or turn off show history option on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off show history option on Teams. So all what you have to do is just go to Microsoft Teams and now go to the top corner and click on your profile and choose this settings option. Click on settings and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many options. Choose data and storage and go down and you will find show history. You can turn it off by clicking on it or turn it on by click on it again. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.